Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can hide your phone numbers in the Telegram application from contacts and the Telegram community on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Telegram, log into your account, for example via Google Chrome, and for this method you will need to access your account settings. To do that, click into these three lines in the top left, select settings. Here click into privacy and security. And next, guys, here on the privacy, select the given settings you would like to edit and customize, which in this case here would be this one here, who can see my phone number. Click into it. And last but not least, decide who you would like to give the permission to see your phone number on Telegram, like your contacts, everybody, or nobody. That is going to hide your phone number basically from any user on Telegram, be it externals or your contact or people from your contact list. You may also add an exception to that, guys, for example, by clicking into this button and allow specific users from your contact list to see your phone number, even though you selected nobody here for the global rule. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.